Victor Company reunion.
Yo vlog, right now we're there, packing my stuff. Tomorrow's graduation. One wake up left. What? You said what, my son? That's my son, by the way, guys. Bye, Dad. Alright, bye, bye, son. That's his older brother right here. Yeah, that's Jimenez right there. But yeah, we're there vlog. I pack up all of my stuff there. That's a, we got one duff already. My next one there, that's a Navy pack. And yeah, journey along with me. It's on my last day. Yeah. Supposed to be my last day. Yeah. The army life is crazy, as me said before in the last vlog. And they will change it any day, anytime, any moment. So yeah. Yeah, that's it. Had you anything to say?
What?
You have anything to say?
Yeah, man, we're about to be out of here, man. You know what I'm saying? That's it.
Alright. Anything to say, Jimenez?
No, fuck this.
Okay, Jimenez kind of pissed because you're going to be here for a little bit. I told you the army life is crazy. But yeah, I'll catch you in a minute, vlog. Yo, vlogs, right now we're on our way to the last formation. We just packed that. We have a couple more stuff left. But yeah, I'm gonna go, my camera back. And I put my stuff. Alright, so yeah, right now I'm gonna lift out. This one in camera chunks, guys. Yo, so we're here. Last formation. Everybody acting a fool like they ain't got no damn sense, no discipline. As always. Look at this man right here. You a hoe for that. Yo.
Where are we from? Where are we standing?
Acting a fool. Look at all these people.
You geeking, guys. You geeking.
Blow him up. Blow him up.
Alright, look at them. Yo, vlog. Alright, now we're in Melwood. We're gonna get me a haircut right, so that take a while. But you know, I just try to reset the computer then. That brother had take so long. Yeah. So everybody is at Bill back, everybody park. Yeah, tomorrow graduation. Good morning, vlog. Welcome. Right now over there, remember to get ready. I have one shot right now. In that second, yeah, both we see. I almost ready. Man, only one way. Jimenez over there, so. But I get ready right now, and we're gonna back. Yo, so just got ready. Everybody waiting on me. As always, Jamaican always at last one to get ready. Just didn't look neat and thing. You know, shine boot like grandfather. Yeah, hair well nice and clean and cut. Yeah, thing up. Right now I got graduation. Graduating AIT. I'm blessed to the Most High Rastafari, you know. I have to give blessings and give thanks. Look at more. Yeah, so we are here right now. We're really kind of messed up right now, but don't pay that as mine. That's wood. You mean wood? No, wood in here.
Who knew you were making?
Yeah. We know it's about hard, yeah.
What'd you do? Have to settle with a blackberry?
Yeah. Black.
As wood too, bro. So
Everybody try. We never ate breakfast. Whoa, I seen that.
we never ate the defag.
We got MREs. Graduation successful.
No, I think that's
there.
Moose's dad.
About for cut. Oh, new addition. This look good. Y'all doing? Hey, Burke. Burke, you gotta look. It's for the vlog, the vlog. It's not a picture.
Oh, that's a video?
Yeah, it's a video. But yeah, vlog. Did it. Put forward, cut. They know what I did right now. But yeah. That's a vlog right now. Just reached my, just change real quick. That's something we'll need. You know, everything said. I do what I said, getting changed right now.
Here we are here.
So we're finally getting to a cab. Haj almost missing flight. Thinks the bus are come for him 2:50. In time at 2:50 we're supposed to reach our airport. Would have been in Ft.Lee for a little bit longer.
Not my fault.
But yeah, we're on our way to the airport right now. We're about to pull off. This is gonna be a good journey. Yo vlog, we just got to the airport. We just found my son.
I'm not your son.
Yes, you are my son. Yeah, you are. You most definitely are. Alright, see you, man. Yeah, so I try to find a gate. I'm not trying to get lost.
I'm sure.
Alright, look at more vlog. So, vlog, we just reached by the plane. Me and Aj on this and over there. Yeah, hot. It's gonna be a line behind there. Alright, go. What me linking about later.
Hey, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure welcoming you aboard your...
That's the end of this chapter, everybody. You know what I'm saying? Thanks for coming. Thanks for tuning in. You know what I'm saying? That's all I gotta say, man.
Alright.
We leaving. Yeah.
So right now, we're there at that stuff. We're going on to the next level, alright? So meet you at the next chapter, next level, and see you in a few. So yeah, as me that said, finally at home. And thank you for tuning in to the vlog. And continue to tune in, click like, subscribe. Make sure we get to 100 real quick. This is the first vlog, yeah, and AIT completed food camera. Hey! Give me 1 second, please. So yeah, shining on it nice. So yeah, thank you for watching and look more.